It supplies clean air for us to breathe, fertile lands to plant, and pure water for us to survive.
Oh no, Mother Nature's in trouble. Irresponsible people have been releasing smog into the air, causing deforestation, or damaging the underwater ecosystem. Before I need your help, I'm going to need some eyewitness accounts about the environment.
That's a huge question.
Right now?
Yeah.
Really bad.
I think there's too much smokers and a lot of people are littering.
That we're still using gas as fuel and not investing in other sources. I think that more than 50, this is just a quote that I'm kind of making up, but it seems like more than 50% of the people in the United States still don't see the environment as a main concern.
I think the environment is pretty bad, if you ask me.
Right now, I think it's not good because, I mean, there's, CO2.
I think the fact that our weather, I'm still somebody who believes that the weather changes seem drastic compared to my childhood. And I'm a little concerned with that and for the future of our children. I'm concerned on how other countries deal with environmental issues, that they perhaps don't have as much environmental regulations as the United States. So as far as the environment, so many things.
Right now, I believe the environment is in a pretty bad situation. There's been a continual problem of like CO2 emissions, and there's also like many other kind of energy resources that we're just not using that we could probably use to lower our emissions.
I mean, I recycle, but as far as diapers, I just use diapers. I use the easy way out as opposed to cloth. I tried one day cloth diapers and said this is too hard. So at what point do we stop saying as Americans, this is too hard, and then we say we need to save our earth? So huge issues.
Our environment is very bad because there are too much emissions of smog. Smog is a combination of sulfur dioxide, ozone, and many other chemicals. This can be very detrimental to the human health and can exacerbate problems such as asthma. You
have the ocean that's totally polluted. You have offshore drilling, which it seems to always go back to gas too. So we need to just invest in other ways. And America needs to stop their excessive spending when it comes to the things that we're used to. For example, light, power, all of these things where other countries use, a lot of other countries use less, and we use so much more. So we're so used to bigger and better, and when it comes to the environment, we're not into sacrificing.
What is the current condition of the environment? Is it on the verge of complete devastation, or is it just merely okay?
The news has not been encouraging. We're gonna need your help to solve the tough environmental problems. But first, you need to be educated in the expertise of land, air, and sea, as well as the solutions to them in order to help.